welcome back to another studio vlog. I had just ended the other vlog. I checked my email and I saw that our new custom tape came in. I'm so nervous to see it, but let's look at it together. Oh my gosh. Okay, it has a print on it, don't worry. This is also from a brand new company that I've never used before. So if everything looks good, I will definitely recommend them. They are a small business and they are women owned. Ooh, okay, here we go. Let's take a look. Oh, it looks perfect. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh, it's perfect. It looks so much better than the other supplier I was using, and it will fit in my tape dispenser machine. Oh my gosh, yay. I can actually put this on the boxes that we haven't shipped out yet. Perfect. Let me show you actually how this fits in the machine, just for a little behind the scenes. So this is what the little tape dispenser machine looks like. I have it in a rolly cart so I can wheel it around. This is the free roll it came with that. I actually was closer to running out, so I ended up using clear tape, but let's install the new tape. So if you don't know, this is a water activated tape dispenser. This tape is water activated. It's completely recyclable and it's better for the environment. And we try to be as sustainable as possible. So basically it goes in like that and it goes over like that, and then you just kind of feed it through. And to get it to go out, and this is what cuts it, and then it makes it sticky. So it seals the packages and it's super good for the environment. And then it has this cute little lid, and I love that it's rolly so I can do packages anywhere. But yeah, that's the water activated tape. All your packages will start having the branding on them again, and they'll be fully recyclable. So let's get into packing some orders. And we are gonna be starting with a brand new customer. This is a $900 order, and this order has 54 items in it, and it's for Nicole. So let's jump in and start pulling all of the items. We may need another bin. So here's a peek at all of the items we're gonna be pulling. Let's start at the top with Libyan Desert Glass option 8. Here is option 8. Then we have 2 volcano agate palm stones. Let's go with these 2. 3 volcano agate mini spheres. I did just order more of these. Let's go with these 3. 2 silver sheen. That one has great flash, but let's grab another one. Go with these 2. 3 Hackmatite tumbles. Go with these 3. The Lavender Moon Quartz mini heart. This one. Just put it in here so I don't lose it. 2 blue amber tumbles. These 2. A high grade rose quartz. Let's go with this super dark one in the back. 4 Mangano calcites. 1 smoky mini sphere with rainbows. A green opal tumble. 3 of the seafoam chrysocolla. Our last skeletal moonstone bracelet. Beautiful flash. Our last raspberry fluorite. A rose calcite. A citrine tumble. This one has garden quartz. 3 of the moonstone. A lavender moon quartz mini sphere. Let's do one with an orange glow. A lavender moon quartz heart ring. A B grade Larimar tumble. A lapis bracelet. Rose quartz tumble. garnet tumble, high grade amazonite tumble, clear quartz tumble, bumblebee tumble, tiger's eye palmstone, A-grade Larimar, chrysocolla from Peru, ametrine, and an angelite, black and gold moonstone, and then last item is this gorgeous rainbow amethyst piece with a little calcite on it, so sparkly. That is what 54 items looks like. Let's go get this order all packed up. And with big orders like that, we do double check quantities just to make sure everything got pulled. And I was missing a few things, so we got everything pulled now. Got a beautiful pen as a free gift. And then I'm gonna do one of these beautiful blue rose quartz palm stones as a freebie. Beautiful amethyst with crazy lace heart as a freebie. And one of these stunning amethyst flowers as a freebie. And we'll do a free scoop. Beautiful scoop. Ooh, look at that agate. All right, let's get this beautiful order all bubble wrapped up. I'm gonna pack the rest off camera and I will be right back so we can put this in a box together. Here is everything all packed up. We'll start putting this in a box. There is Nicole's order all packed up. Thank you so much, Nicole. I hope you love your first order with us. We have 102 orders to pack and I'm trying to do a launch this weekend. So let's pack and pull some orders together. These ones aren't requests, they're just gonna be our orders for Wednesday. We're gonna go ahead and pull and pack all of these orders. Gonna start with Matthew's orders. First order for Matthew is a pink oregonite heart and a scoop of the cold brew mystery confetti. Ooh, last heart. I have so many more of these to list. Then we have our cold brew mystery confetti here. Let's grab this one. Little sneak peek. And then next item is a seafoam green chrysocolla tumble. I'm liking this one. All right, that order's all ready to go. Get it on the cart here. So we're gonna pull everything first and then pack it. I know it's a little bit different formula. I wanna try to be as efficient as possible. Next order is for Brianna. Brianna got a golden rutile pocket money toad, which that one is right here. All of our minis need to be restocked. Gorgeous. And that order's all ready to go. Next order is for Emily B. Emily's got 2 orders, and we're gonna pull this first one, which is a rare green varsite palmstone from Utah. Emily grabbed this gorgeous one. This one is so beautiful. Next order is flower, agate, and carnelian palmstone option Q. Here is option Q. Beautiful, looks like confetti on the back. And that order's all ready to go. Next order is for Shelby J. Shelby got carnelian and flower agate heart option F. Back over here, this one is option F, so pretty. And that order is all ready to go. Next up, we have an order for Alexis. Alexis got one of the gorgeous Blue Lake fluorite spheres. These sold out in literally 30 minutes. Here are the gorgeous Blue Lakes. Let's grab this one for Alexis. I have more of these coming, so stay tuned. That order is all ready to go. All right, you guys, let's start getting all of these beautiful orders packed up. This order was under $35, so we only do confetti with orders over $35. Let's jump in and get this one all wrapped up. There is that order all packed up for Alexis. Thank you so much, Alexis. I hope you love your Blue Lake sphere. Next up, we're gonna do Brianna's order. There is that furry scoop. Ooh, look at that beautiful ocean jasper. Ooh, lots of tumbles in this one. Oh, and Brianna is also a new customer, so we will grab these. All right, that order is all ready to go. Thank you so much, Brianna. I hope you love your first order with us. Next order is for Matthew. All right, there's Matthew's order all packed up. Thank you so much, Matthew. I hope you love all your pieces. Next order is for Shelby. Thank you so much, Shelby. I hope you love your flower agate and carnelian heart. Next order is gonna be Emily's order. Let's go ahead and get this bubble wrapped up. There's Emily's order all packed up. Thank you so much, Emily. I hope you love your beautiful palm stones. All right, y'all, I think I'm gonna leave this vlog here, but I'll be back next week with another vlog. And I also should have a new crystal launch happening very soon. We also have so many new products. So I might try to film me and my assistant opening some of the boxes so you guys can experience that part with us, because we've been doing that together. And I think there's just a lot of really beautiful things to open. We'll see if we add that into the videos, but for now, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next one. Love y'all. Bye. Hey, question for you. Have you been thinking about starting a crystal business, don't know where to start, or feel a lack of community? Well, guess what, you guys? I have a Patreon that has access to a private community and Discord server for just $18 a month. You can learn from other businesses, make friends, learn along with me, and topics include pricing, shipping, Shopify, Etsy, and so much more. So head over and join us on Patreon for just $18 a month. Everything is linked in my bio.